is a thing that I cannot do. Yet I know it is very true. I'm forgetting you.
Hey Jeffrey, why do you have a stapler in your hand?
I don't mind, man. I like it though. I'm messing with it. Yo, what's up, fellas? Ready to make some beats?
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So, like, have you guys heard about the news about the stapler man?
No, I never heard of him.
Well, like, he kills all his victims with a stapler. It's pretty wild.
That's just a bunch of nonsense.
Let's make some bangers.
Alright. Yo. Yo. I'm about to bust. Yo. There's a staple in here.
Yo, what happened? Should never ran.